Hey, what's up, man? What's up, man? Ready to work? Well, yeah. I actually forgot my laptop. What do you mean that you don't have your laptop with you? You came to work. Just hold on. What are you talking about, man? Let me explain. Well, see, I kind of like made my own shortcuts. Okay. So I don't know how to use the regular Premiere Pro key stuff. Sure. It's kind of bad because I really don't know how to use them anymore. You don't know how to use my Premiere Pro. You used Premiere Pro for like years now. How is it possible that you suddenly can't use it? Editing workflow is just so much faster right now. I got everything on my left hand that I need. So yeah, I don't know how to do that stuff. Give me the laptop. What are you doing? I'm putting you the shortcuts. Yeah, but I need to, you need to see something. No, well, I'm just gonna pull up this one video that explains everything to you, okay? Sure, yeah, go ahead, show me. What's good, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Kimi aka Kimi Elias. You can find me on Instagram at kimi.elias. Please go hit the follow button if you like my content. Same here, consider liking and subscribing to the channel if you got any value out of this. Today, I'm gonna show you how you can drastically speed up your workflow with only one trick. Let's hop onto the computer. So, I've already opened my Premiere Pro. I'm working on an iMac. As you can see, I got all my clips of the sequence you just saw here imported and one here on the timeline. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit. This is the clip we're gonna work with today, just to show you guys what I mean and how to use this trick. So first off, what you're gonna do is go up here where it says Premiere Pro. You're gonna press that button, you're gonna go to keyboard shortcuts. If I remember correctly, on the PC it's Control K. Here it's Option Command K. You're gonna press that, and the thing is, you want everything that you need to be on your left hand. All I use is around this area right here. So I can just, my right hand can be on the mouse, my left hand can do the work. It's kind of like playing a game. You want everything to be close to your hand, just speed it up and be ready to rumble. I do a lot of jump cutting to like really simple clips like this talking sequence right here. How to use this is, for example, one critical thing, or actually two you want to use, is add edit. It's kind of like a cut, but it cuts the audio and the video if they are linked at the same time. So you can search here, add edit. And as you can see already, I have it set to Shift+S. I can't even remember what it is on the like normal Premiere right now. But you click this and press the X. It should disappear like that. And when it's disappeared, you click here again so it's empty, you press Shift+S, and there you go, it's applied. Another one really critical for jump cuts is ripple delete. So here on the search bar, type in ripple, there you can see it already, ripple delete. Under edit, ripple delete, you can see I have it on Shift+A. So there again, whatever it says right now, press X, delete it, press again so you see an empty space, Shift+A. And now it's applied. Now remember just to press OK. Now you have the keyboard shortcut applied. And now if I go here, you can see these are linked to each other. So if I press Shift+S, it applies a cut. I go a little bit further, press again, Shift+S. Now this clip is selected. I want to delete that. So I want to ripple delete it. A ripple delete means that this one, if I would use it normally, I would like delete it, select the other one, pull it back there, or whatever way you're doing right now. That just screw it. Now I'm gonna jump back a little bit. So now it's selected. Now I press Shift A. Did the same thing. Now I can do it again. I go there and I want to delete that part. So Shift A, and this just speeds up your workflow so much. I promise you, you will, I'm like speechless. This sped up my workflow so much when I started doing this. It's the best thing ever. Add edits and ripple delete, and your jump cuts is going to be so much easier to work with. And here on your left hand, you have even the control set that undoes what you just done. I promise you, try it. Try it. You will be amazed when you master these keys. Your workflow is going to be sped up drastically. You don't have to go like, oh, where's the K key, where's the P? It just takes time. So time is money, as you know. Hope you enjoyed this little video. If you got any tips and tricks that you want to share to speed up someone's workflow, please let me know in the comments down below. And if you got value out of this, please consider liking and subscribing to the channel. Go hit up my Instagram at Kimi.Elias, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace out.